Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Mirabella, the young super cute fashionista TV. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. Hit on the notification button so that whenever I update any of my videos, you'll be notified. And to those of you who are subscribed, I say thanks and God bless you. And to all my return viewers, thanks and God bless you all. And please, it will not be good you are subscribing to a channel and you are not supporting by liking and commenting by supporting that person. So guys, today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I made my Nigerian rice and beans jollof rice recipe. This rice and beans jollof rice recipe is probably going to be easier and yum yum. You know what that means? So the preparation, step 1, I will start by pre-boiling the rice. Also, I have picked the beans and the beans is thoroughly washed. So I'm going to pre-boil the rice and the beans, wash and set them differently. So there is a way I normally cook my beans. Once I pre-boil my beans, I will wash the beans again, then change the water. I will add another water and cook. So once the beans is boiled, so I'm going to add in the chopped onion. So I will pre-boil the turkey and season with all of the ingredients. So I will set my cooking pot on heat and add the vegetable oil. So I'm going to fry the chopped onion. I will fry the onions with the scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to fry the ground tomatoes and fry for some minutes. So I'm going to make sure the tomatoes is well cooked. So I'm going to preheat another vegetable oil in another frying pan to fry the turkey. So I'm going to stir together and add the turkey stock. So I'm going to season with all the ingredients: curry, thyme, nutmeg, and mangi powder, onions powder. Taste for salt. So next I'm going to add the pre-cooked beans and pre-boiled rice. Then I will stir together. So I'm going to season with mangi powder. I will stir again. So I'll add more water. So this will let your food cook properly before it burns. So I'm going to cover. I will cover and cook on medium heat for the next 25 to 40 minutes. Check when the rice or beans soften and the water is dried. So I have something like this that you just saw. So I'm going to fry the plantain. So next I'm going to fry the turkey with rosemary leaf to get a good flavor and aroma. As you can see, guys, check out this jollof rice and beans. Check it out, guys. Tell me if you don't like what you see here. And please make sure when you are stirring your rice, use a wooden turner to turn them together. Serve with any drink of your choice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.